Attention please my friends, all future hardware masters and repair engineers. I have big news for you and it's going to change the way you understand electronics forever. I am launching a massive, powerful masterclass series right here on this channel, Electronics Repair Basics, where I will teach you step by step how to test every single electronic component like a true expert. From basic resistors and capacitors to advanced MOSFETs, GL MOSFETs, diodes, coils, and even tricky ICs. I will break it all down for you. You will learn how to use your multimeter like a pro, detect faulty components in seconds, and build repair logic that works on any motherboard. This is not just a tutorial, this is a full training course made for beginners and students and intermediate technicians who want to upgrade their skills to a whole new level. No more guessing, no more confusion, just clear, real, practical testing methods straight from a professional instructor. So, are you ready to master electronics testing and unlock the true power of component level repair? Stay tuned, the series starts today. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell and prepare your multimeter because this journey will be mind-blowing. See you in the first class. Let's make it unstoppable.